Have you ever wondered what to do if you are bitten by a dog? Dog bites are more common than you might think, and they can cause severe injuries physical, emotional, and even legal. Whether it is a neighbor, pet, or a street dog, the aftermath of a dog bite can leave you questioning your next step. Stick with me as we walk through everything you need to know about dog bite case, how they happen, how to protect yourself, and what to do if you are a victim. In this video, we will dive into the cause of dog bite incident and why they happens, immediate action you should take after a dog bite, legal consideration and your right in a dog bite case, preventive tips for avoiding dog bites, especially with unfamiliar dogs, how to handle insurance claim related to dog bite injuries. By the end of this video, you will be well equipped to handle a dog bite situation, whether it happens to you, someone close to you, or even your pet. Before we dive into what to do if you are bitten, let's first understand what exactly constitutes a dog bite case. Dog bite can happen in many ways. They often occur when a dog feels threatened, scared, or territorial. Sometimes it is the result of an aggressive dog, while other times it is due to a lack of proper training or supervision. In the United States alone, millions of dog bites happen every year, and they can range from million injuries to life-threatening situation. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, nearly 1 in 5 dog bite victims require medical attention. Let's talk about the common cause of dog bite. Understanding why a dog might bite is essential for both preventing and dealing with the incident. First is fear or anxiety. Dogs that are fearful or anxious may lash out to protect themselves. This is especially true with dogs that have not been socialized properly or those with a traumatic past. Second is territorial behavior. Dogs are often protective of their territory, whether that is their home, their yard, or even their owners. A dog might bite if it feels its space is being invaded, particularly if it feels threatened. Third is protecting owners or food. Dogs are naturally protective of their owners and their resources, including food. If someone gets too close to a dog's food, toy, or a favorite resting spot, they may bite out of defense. Fourth is inadequate training or socialization. Dogs that have not been properly trained or socialized are more likely to react aggressively when faced with new people, environment, or situation. Lack of discipline can make dogs unpredictable. Fifth is provoked action. Sometimes a dog bite happens because someone provokes the dogs. This could be through teasing, pulling the dog's tail, or causing fear or discomfort. Six is health issues. A dog experiencing pain or discomfort due to illness or injury might bite unexpectedly. Dogs in pain are more likely to snap or bite to protect themselves. But understanding this cause, we are learn how to act around dog and what sign to look for to prevent bites. So, what should you do if you or someone you know that bite by a dog? Time is crucial, and knowing how to respond right away can make all the difference. Stay calm and avoid panic. The first step is to stay calm. Panic can make the situation worse. If you are the victim, Try to remove yourself from the situation and get to safety. If someone else is bitten, stay composed to help them. And second is clean the wound immediately. Rinse the wound with clean water and mild soap as soon as possible. This helps to prevent infection. If the wound is larger or deep, don't try to clean it too aggressively. Just get medical attention quickly. Third is apply pressure to stop bleeding. If the bite is bleeding, apply pressure to the wound with a clean cloth or bandage. Keep the affected area elevated if possible to help reduce bleeding. Fourth is seek medical attention. It is important to get medical attention, especially if the bite breaks the skin. Even minor bites can lead to infection. For several bites, seek emergency care immediately. Fifth is document the bite. The photo of the bite, the area where it occurred, and any other relevant details if possible. Not Note the dog's breeds, size, and any other details that might be useful later, such as whether the dogs appeared sick or aggressive. Report the incident. Report the bite to local authority or animal control. They will need to assess the dog, especially if it is case whether the dog was unprovoked or a stray. This help ensure the dog is not a threat to other. Now let's talk about the legal side of things. If you have been bitten, you may wonder if you have the right to pursue compensation. Here is what you need to know. First is dog owners' responsibility. In many jurisdictions, dog owners are responsible for their dog's behavior. This includes keeping the dog secure and ensuring it does not pose a threat to others. If an owner is negligent in this responsibility, they may be liable for injuries caused by their dog. Second is a strict liability versus negligence. Some states follow a strict liability law, meaning the dog owner is automatically responsible for any injuries caused by their dog, regardless of whether the dog has shown aggressive behavior in the past. In other areas, the owner may only be liable if they were negligent, for example, failing to lash the dog or properly surprise it. Third is reporting the incident. You should file a report with local authority, especially if the dog is a stray or poses a public health risk. This ensures that the dog is quarantined if necessary and help us you document the incident for potential legal action. Fourth is compensation for injuries. If you are injured due to a dog bite, you may be entitled to compensation for medical bills, pain and suffering, and lost wage and other related costs. If the dog was not under control or the owner was negligent, you can pursue a legal claim. Fifth is insurance coverage. In some cases, homeowners or renters insurance may cover dog bites that occur on the owner's property. However, policy vary, so it is important to check with our insurance provider about your specific situation. Six is time limits and a statute of limitation. Keep in mind that there is often a statute of limitation for filing a dog bite lawsuit. It is important to consult a lawyer as soon as possible to ensure you don't miss your chance to seek compensation. Well, you cannot predict every situation. There are steps you can take to prevent dog bite and reduce the risk of injuries. First is approach dog cautiously. Always ask the owner for permission before approaching their dog and avoid sudden movement or loud noise that could startle the dog. Second is don't tease or disturb a dog. Never tease a dog or take their food, toys, or resting spot. Even the friendliest dog may react aggressively if it feels threatened. Third is take children about dog safety. Children should be taught how to approach and interact with dog safety. Teach them not to approach unfamiliar dogs and to avoid touching the dog's face, ear, or tail. 4 is avoid aggressive dog. If a dog is growling, barking loudly, or showing its teeth, it is best to back away slowly. These are clear signs that the dog feels threatened. Fifth is properly secured your own dog. As a pet owner, make sure make sure your dog is well trained, socialized, and securely contained within public space. Proper fencing and latching can help prevent your dog from attacking others. To summarize, dog bites can cause lead to serious injuries, but knowing the cause, the immediate step to take, and your legal rights can make a huge difference. By being protective, we can prevent dog bites and ensure both humans and dogs stay safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more valuable safety tips. Stay safe and take care of yourself and your pets. Remember, understanding dog behavior and taking the right step after a bite can protect you and others from further harm. See you in the next video.